welcome to the Numero Uno Fin channel. I'm Uno, and we're always number one. Today, we are going to be doing a new crypto morning type thing, mostly because, well, I have seen my partner, Big Baltimore, Larry Scott, do videos kind of like this, and I really enjoyed them. I still do. Larry, go check out Big Baltimore. He's a big Zill fan. But I'm also kind of on a time constraint. I just got a promotion at my job. I'm going to school 13 hours a week. And I really like making videos about crypto. So, because I saw Big Baltimore's videos, I was just immediately like, I could create more content by filming myself on the drive home to work. So without further ado, the topic of today's video is diamond hands will prevail. We're going to talk about Hbar, Casper, Quant, and Algorand. And the reason why this topic is so important, diamond hands will prevail, is that here recently, obviously, if you're into U.S. politics, we have seen the midterm elections, and a lot of people would say that that has affected the price of crypto. And so we've seen almost these June and July lows here over the last, 24 hours. And one thing that I want to really highlight, you all, is that diamond hands will prevail. There's been bear markets before, you all, and I'm telling you right now, diamond hands will prevail. A lot of people look back on investments, Bitcoin, during bear markets, and I mean, the price now, even in a bear market, is still higher than previous bear markets before. So I want to keep that in mind. I had a video that I made the other day, and the price of Bitcoin in 2012, the closing price was $13.45. And so I know we all get freaked out when we see Bitcoin at 18K, but we have to remember, especially with these small cap cryptos, that just 10 years ago, Bitcoin's price was $13.45. Now, I want to talk about some of these smaller cap cryptos. Like I said, this is a fire sale. This is a bargain. Let me know if you all are buying. Me, myself, I actually bought some more Hbar. Hbar's, last time I checked in the last 5 minutes, was sitting at around 4 cents, high 4 cent level. So for me, I immediately scooped up. I think I bought about $100 worth of Hbar. I see Algorand. Algorand is at 31 cents. So I personally did not buy any more Algorand, mostly because my price point for Algorand right now is 29 cents. So I'm really looking for it to either hit 29 cents or go above 29 cents before I continue to accumulate. I got quite a bit of Algorand at 29 cents, so I'm not going to, I'll dollar cost average, but I'm not going anything above like 31 cents. I'm not investing anymore. Casper, right now, if you're into Casper, Cspr, it's about 3 cents. Quant is about $133. And I really want to talk about Quant, you all, because we saw some highs. I don't know if we touched $200, but I know for sure we touched that 180. And if you watch any of my Quant videos, you know that I bought, I sold, I bought more. But I'm really in around that $47 mark. So when people get mad at me about selling my Quant, I'm not really too worried about it because A, I still have way more Quant, and B, I bought at $47. I'm still up. I did buy some Quant on its way down to $47 at $60, but even if you just look at that, I'm still up. So, like I said, I just really want to highlight the importance of diamond hands here in this this bear market, right? So, just to go back to Hbar, all-time highs, 57 cents, 60 cents. So, not just Hbar, but a lot of these cryptos are down from their all-time high. Quant probably being the least down out of Algorand, Casper, Hbar. And so a lot of people are going to say that it's overbought, and actually the indicator shows that you should be buying right now. I think that's what a lot of crypto might say, but I know the last time I checked Quant, it said that. I want to highlight the significance of, dollar cost averaging, continuing to buy, just like anything, any market. And I know I'm going to start talking about stocks, and people are going to be like, this is crypto, not stocks. But I just want to look at it from a long-term perspective. Most people, if you watch my videos, if you are into crypto, even during this bear market, you probably have diamond hands. A lot of people have sold off. I think the people that have sold off the most are probably bigger players. I think there's a lot of retail investors still in the crypto market, and I think we're all waiting for that 10x, that 20x. I don't know what you all are looking for. If you'd rather have something be a 10x or 100x or whatever, but when we look at Hbar, Algorand, Casper, these are all crypto that are a simple 10x away from hitting their all-time highs, if not more. Now, Quant, the all-time high of Quant's like $428, so it's only like a 4x at face value. But I just want to keep in mind that if any of these in the next 10 years have a similar market cap to Bitcoin or Ethereum, and I know you guys are going to say, these aren't the same projects, but look, I'm talking about price appreciation, right, in 10 years. That also means that Bitcoin and Ethereum are both going to grow in price, right? So this is why I'm trying to say that diamond hands are very, very important, because of the long-term aspect of it. Now, if you're into crypto and you bought during when all the government was giving all that stimulus money, there were opportunities to make money overnight. And I think a lot of people think that's what crypto is, and I think a lot of people get discouraged when they see that that's not what it is. I know I probably would too. Let's get realistic. But the rest of us, we know the long-term effects. We're looking for crypto, Casper, Quant, Hbar, Algorand with real partnerships, right? Because we know, the old saying, it's not about what you know, it's about who you know. So partnerships and use cases, fundamentals, and then we just look at the chart to see if it's strong. This is going to be very important. Like I said, a lot of people have given up already. I haven't. I'm still super strong on Hbar. I'm still super strong on Quant. I'm still super strong on Algorand. I'm still super strong on Casper. And a lot of people are going to come around and say, well, you don't know this about the project. You don't know this about the project. I don't have to know all the details to see something leaping off the page at me. That's why my hands are always going to stay strong in this crypto market. One thing I never really quote like in my normal videos, but since this is kind of like open talk, I want to talk about Warren Buffett. And obviously, Warren Buffett had one time, I watch a lot of Warren Buffett videos, clearly, and he said that when he first started investing, and I translated to crypto, when he first started investing, he looked for things that leapt off the page, right? So I took that same mindset, but I went into crypto, and that's how I found Hbar. Originally, I found Hbar. It was at a good price point. I think I started buying Hbar at 33 cents. Quant was another one, because I saw that if it had anywhere near Bitcoin's market cap, it'd be like a 40K token. Not to say that it ever will, but just the prospect of that kind of got me a little bit excited. And then Casper and Algorand, obviously, Casper is one of those low cap, high utility crypto. And just the hype around it, I believe that Casper definitely has a chance to have a major price appreciation. And then Algorand, obviously, Algorand, I believe, has the pinnacle of partnerships other than Hbar with Google and IBM, etc. But I think Algorand's really capitalizing, and I know this is kind of cliche, and I know this is probably what people that know nothing about crypto, which is actually good, because you don't have to know anything to know about the World Cup. I'm a big soccer player, so when I saw Algorand's partnerships, its use cases, payment processing, etc., I knew that Algorand was probably going to be a good investment in the future. And so, yeah, with the basis points rising, the midterm election coming in, I don't know if you guys are Republican or Democrat, but just based off of a lot of the YouTube finance channels, etc., we bled a lot the last day. If the Republicans win, I don't keep up. They're gonna win. We could see a major rally coming in. So I really want to ask the question: are you guys buying right now? You have diamond hands, but are you buying right now? Knowing that we sank, knowing that the midterms are in, and knowing that we could see a huge rally, or are you a little bit more skeptical because it's kind of been predicted that there's going to be a rally here in the next few days? Do you think that means, because a lot of people say that what the media says, the exact opposite is probably going to happen. So do you see the midterms being a good rally point, or do you see us falling further into the bear market? There's a lot of pessimism going around in the market. But what I see it as is, like I said, the title of this video, Diamond Hands, I see it as a major investment opportunity. I think this is, and I've been saying this for months, but I think it's been proven that during bear markets is the best time to buy. I think that there's been charts that show that people that have bought during the bear market have seen a great appreciation in the value of what they bought. Like I said, I think Hbar, Quant, Algorand, Casper, I'm not going to call them the big four because there's other crypto that are definitely up there. But, for me right now, just right now, and this could change, but I really see those as the big four outside of Bitcoin, Ethereum, maybe XRP, and a couple of the other cryptos that I do videos on. I'm not really into XRP that much because of the lawsuit, and I know I'm going to get murdered in the comment section for it. But I'm looking at major investors going forward. We already have a lot of retail investors, and we still don't have all the retail investors that we're going to get within the next 10 years. But I really want to focus on the institutional money. I think that our next bear market is going to come with institutional money. As you guys probably watch, if you're an Hbar fan or a crypto fan, you probably watch Kevin O'Leary, and Kevin O'Leary thinks that crypto will be the 12th sector of the S&P. So one thing I really want to highlight is I think the bear market, because of that, is going to be institutional investors. You still have a lot of the baby boomers and generations older than that really don't believe in crypto, and they're not going to unless there's a more solidified base for it. I think the Sam Bankman-Fried thing, selling off part of FBX, I'm not sure if it was a branch or exactly what it was. It looks terrible. Then he also sided with the Democrats, which overall are losing. The economy's tanked. I'm not saying it's all their fault. A lot of it has to do with pandemic relief and being in a situation we've never been in before. But yeah, I think that Sam Bankman-Fried really screwed up. I don't know what y'all's opinion is. I think he really screwed up going forward. But I'm a big Binance person anyways. So I'm actually happy. I've thought about buying some FTX tokens, but honestly, after Sam Bankman fried or freed or whatever you call it, um, peed the bed, essentially, I think wet the bed is a good phrase to use. I'm all Binance. I've been buying Binance tokens. I've been a CZ fan. So that's just where I'm at. I think a lot of these exchanges, I'm not saying FTX or anything, but if you just look at the history of crypto, a lot of these exchanges have a lot of fraud going on. And so I think with Binance kind of stepping in and helping FTX, I think that kind of solidified Binance as being probably one of the exchange. I'm pretty sure Binance is the based off volume of trading. Um, Number one, then number two to Coinbase. But I'm pretty sure last time I checked, Binance has the highest volume of trading. So I'm going to continue using Binance. I'm going to buy BNB. I'm going to buy my Algorand on Binance. You can't buy Casper on Binance, I don't think. I'm going to keep buying my Hbar on Binance, and you can't buy Quant on Binance. It'd be a lot cooler if you could. And I just like their transaction fees. So whereas I feel like, and I know that not every exchange is for everybody, I'd rather use one of the ones that if I needed to liquidate my crypto, I know that there's not going to be a big issue. So yeah, I do mostly use Binance. I was going to start using FTX just to get free crypto for signing up, but that's a done data now. That's not going to happen. I'll continue. I buy my Quant on Coinbase. And one thing I was going to say about the processing fees is that I think like Coinbase, you buy Quant on Coinbase and you spend like $20, they charge you like $2 for processing fees. Whereas if you spend $20 on Binance, it's like 5 cents, 10 cents. So I'm definitely team Binance. I'm definitely going to continue buying BNB. I'm definitely going to continue staking my Binance. Like I said, diamond hands Prevail. So I'll continue doing that, and I really truly believe that Binance is going to keep growing. Hbar just came out with native staking, I believe. I haven't checked that out yet. I have my Hashpack wallet, and I'm not sure if you can do it from there, but I'll probably pull that up sometime this week when I have free time. I could probably do that when I get home here in a few minutes, but I probably won't because I just got off work. So I'll probably end up going to sleep. Casper, let me know where you guys are buying your Casper. I have a few places, but I really wish Binance sold Casper. I really do. Algorand, you know where I stand on that. If you haven't watched my video, why you should buy 20,000 Algorand, you should check that out. I give a couple of reasons why you should buy at least 20,000 Algorand. Obviously, I have way more than that, but I just think that that will be a good return on your investment. I make it pretty clear that although I do support the Algorand will be sponsoring the World Cup, I don't believe that short term that will affect the price because I'm pretty sure the World Cup is at the end of this year. If not, maybe next year. I'm not sure. Wait, when was the last World Cup? 2018. So yeah, 2022. But we're in a giant bear market. I want to know what crypto y'all are buying during this bear market. Have you sold any of your crypto? Are you keeping strong? Are you still accumulating? If you are accumulating, what crypto are you accumulating? Would you rather have Quant, Hbar, Algorand, or Casper? Which one do you see long term being the best investment? Y'all know that I'm a big believer in diversity as far as your investment and utility as far as crypto. I like crypto that has multiple use cases. So that way, if one thing fails about a crypto, there's other opportunities for that crypto to succeed. I said that in a lot of my videos. I think it's important to diversify. So I really want to know which one y'all got. Um, if I had to choose, I'm choosing Hbar. I've been in love with Hbar since day one. I think a lot of people know that just based off my Hbar videos. I do a lot of Quant videos, but I'm really looking to expand. What are your big four? Does your big four consist of any of my big four? Should this be my big four? Should I sell any of it to buy more crypto? I'm gonna keep diversifying. I know Kevin O'Leary says he's invested in over 20 crypto. I don't know how many I'm invested in. Um, I know it's more than five, but I've also made some bad investments. I think with the year that we've had, I think a lot of people can say they've made some bad investments in crypto, but I think if you keep diamond hands, you stay strong, fundamentals, you keep accumulating, I think you'll be just fine. I really do. Um, and when I say diversity, I don't just mean the crypto market. You might want to invest a little bit in property. You might want to invest a little bit in the stock market. I mean, that's what I do. So, I mean, there's really not just one single way. Um, I know it looks pretty bad with how the market is right now, but once again, back to the topic of this video, and I know I keep reiterating, I'm going to keep going until I hit my house here in about 2 minutes. But diamond hands really will prevail. I'm not saying on every single crypto. There's still going to be some rug pulls. There's still going to be some surprising things like FTX. But overall, these utility, low end, high market cap crypto, these top 50 crypto, and even some of these low market cap crypto, I think is an opportunity definitely to make some money. Um, at least I feel like Hbar. I was just looking at it. I feel like Hbar could easily 5x. I feel like Hbar could go from 5 cents to 25 cents in a blink. So I really believe Hbar could easily 5x. Quant, I could easily see it short term, 6 months to a year. And I'm not saying this is a prediction. I'm just saying I could see it. I could see this. I could see Quant 2xing. I could see Quant going from about 150 to 300, maybe even $400. Quant has done extremely well in the bear market. Algorand's definitely over a dollar crypto for sure. So what is that? Over 3x. So just at face value, over 3x. Casper, I'm not even gonna lie, I could see that 10 to 20x. I'm not saying that I'm all in on it because obviously, like I said, I like diversity. But I mean, realistically, 10 to 20x for Casper, 5x for Hbar, 2x for Quant, um, over 3x for Algorand. Those aren't predictions. That's just what I think, and I could definitely see that happening. But honestly, give it over 5 years, it's definitely happening. And that's why it's super important to keep investing, stay strong, have high will. This bear market should be a sign that you should get another job. I know when I saw Hbar hit below 12 cents, I thought to myself, I'm going to get another job. But, I mean, instead, I just ended up getting a promotion. So I'm not going to get another job. I'm probably going to be investing in the S&P, the Dow Jones, NASDAQ. I'm probably going to be investing in those a little bit more heavy than crypto. But right now, my portfolio is a little bit more crypto than it is stocks. So I kind of want to balance that out, and that's the only reason why. But I'm still buying crypto because we're in a bear market, and I know that the price will grow exponentially. The government is never going to stop printing money. And that's the one biggest difference I feel like crypto has over the U.S. monetary system, is that crypto, most of it, not all, has a cap to their supply, whereas the U.S. monetary system doesn't. So, and this is just going to be a way to cross-border payments. And I think once we can find ways to have cheaper transaction fees, make it quicker, pretty much everything that Hbar, Quant, ALGORAND, Casper accomplish, once that's mainstream, it's over. And we're all good because that car almost hit me. We all predicted it. People are going to call us crazy in this bear market that we're still investing. We're still buying Hbar. We're still buying Algorand. We're still buying Quant. We're still buying Casper, and we're still buying everything else. People are going to call us crazy, but people are going to call us geniuses in 5 years. So that's why, really, at the end of the day, why I want to say diamond hands will prevail. Keep strong, crypto family. I just got home. I'm going to go in, watch some anime, and chill. But if you watched this video at all, if you made it all the way to the end here, you listen to me babble. I appreciate it. Like I said, this is a great way for me to get out content while I'm just driving home and I have a busy schedule. I'm Uno. If you made it this far, you have a beautiful soul. I will leave links to other videos I've made, and I will have links to free stock and free crypto. If not, you can go check out my other videos, and you can buy free, or you can get free Hbar, Algorand, Quant, and Casper just using the free links that I have. So I highly recommend doing so. Once again, if you made it this far, thank you, and have a good day.